What are you doing, Mason? Hi! Hi, you! What's the matter? What you doing? What are you doing? Did it? Mason! Is it your friend? Oh, how sweet. Stella, you good girl? Are you a good girl to Mason? He wants some more loving. He wants some more kisses. Stella, can you sit? You sit? Stella? Sit? Sit? Oh, what are you whining? What are you whining? Mason? May. She wants what you got. What you got, Mimi? What you got? No, get back. What you got? Oh, that would be nice. What you got? You guys want to go in the house? Drink some water? Drink water? You guys hungry? You hungry? Huh? You guys hungry? Alright, we'll go inside.